Now we'll take you through a demo of a EFT practice. Let us do a few rounds of EFT demo. Before getting into a complete cycle of EFT, we will first introduce you to the various tapping points. The setup phrase is done with the karate chop point, and the tapping is normally done with the fingertips. The fingertips have a lot of nerve endings, and it is important to activate those nerve endings, and you can actually observe how the energy changes. So the setup phrase is tapped at the karate chop point. After this, we start the reminder phrases, the top of your head, between your eyebrows, the side, under the eye, below the nose, chin, below the collarbone. You can feel the soft space below the collarbone. Tap gently. These are the points which we will be saying the reminder phrases. Side of the rib cage. You can choose to do on one side or on both the sides. Just below the diaphragm. Wrist. You can do on both the hands and both the sides. And the final tapping point, below the navel. This constitutes one complete cycle of EFT tapping. Now, let's take a situation and tap using the setup phrase and the reminder phrase. So right now, since it is a demo, I'm not using any emotions or the words during the setup phrase. So the setup phrase goes like this. Even though I have this feeling, or even though I feel like this, I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself. I understand when we go through various emotions, it's quite difficult to use the word I love and accept myself. So, it takes some time and it takes practice. It is like bringing attention to what you're feeling, and whatever is happening in my body and around me, I just embrace myself completely. So that is the beauty of EFT. You are just consciously using those words to bring attention to what is alive in your body, and you are what you are with all those emotions and thoughts and feelings. So while doing the tapping and through various rounds, you can see that shift in your sensations in your body, or also the drop in the feelings. So normally if you're working with a partner, you can even ask the partner, the partner can ask you a question. What is the intensity of your feeling right now? You can rate between 1 to 10 and you can give a rating, and then after the tapping, the partner can again ask you, can you rate it now? So that also gives you an indication whether you have shifted with respect to that particular emotion or feeling. And EFT can be done at various instances or various situations. Either you're going through a physical ailment or you're going through a conflict. Now let's start a session. So the setup phrase, even though I'm having this feeling, I love and accept myself. Even though I'm having this feeling, I completely love and accept myself. Even though I am feeling this, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. This feeling, you can choose to use words at this point. This feeling, this feeling, this feeling, I love and accept myself. I love and accept myself with this feeling in my body. This feeling, I deeply, completely acknowledge and accept myself. this feeling, what I'm feeling. Allow and accept myself with this sensation in my body or this feeling which is alive in me. Breathe into your belly and breathe out with mouth open. One more time and one last time.